In this video, I will show you how to get a cheaper Office 365 subscription. If you like this video, feel free to like the video and subscribe. Let's go. If you visit the official Microsoft.com website, you can compare their subscriptions to get the software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. And you can see that it will cost you about $10 per month or $7 per month if you take the personal plan. It's relatively expensive for some people, and that's why I will share the trick I use to pay less for all these subscriptions. It's thanks to the subscription sharing platform GamesGo, which is a platform that allows multiple people around the world to share premium subscriptions together and thus get a discount on the price. As you can see here, you have Office 365, so the Microsoft suite, to have the software Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, etc. And it will only cost you $367, which is half the price. It's a site that works really well. You have the link just below the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment under the video. You just need to click on it and you will be automatically redirected to the GamesGo platform. Then at the top right, you can create an account in a few minutes. You can do it with a Gmail address like this. Once you are logged in on the homepage, if you scroll down, you will see the Office 365 option available. You just need to click on it and you will see that it allows you to access all these software programs at half price. I've been using the GamesGo platform for over a year and it allows me to save a lot of money every month. I'm really very satisfied. It's a 100% secure platform. So you just need to click on join now. You can choose the subscription period ranging from 3 months to 6 months. You can choose to enable or not the automatic renewal option to get an additional discount. Note that if you take a 6-month subscription, it will cost you only 334 pesos. It's really a very good deal. And then you can even add a promo code GUMMY like this if you wish to get an additional discount on the price. Then you click go to payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, Apple Pay and Google Pay. It's a 100% secure platform. Once you have completed the payment, you will instantly receive your login details and password to access your account. Office 365 in your section subscription, tap on GamesGo right here. Then you simply need to log in on the official Microsoft.com site to download all the software and use them unlimitedly on your computer or mobile phone.